its streak of refined dunk low releases with the upcoming Gorge Green edition, offering a clean yet premium take on the iconic silhouette. The pair features a crisp white leather base complemented by hairy suede overlays in the rich, forest-like Gorge Green hue. Matching tones extend to the swoosh, tongue, liner, and laces, crafting a cohesive, monochromatic upper. A metallic gold mini swoosh at the lateral heel stands out as the pair's defining detail, subtly enhancing the look with a hint of contrast and luxury. Underfoot, a classic white midsole sits atop a green rubber outsole, preserving the Dunk's signature lifestyle aesthetic while elevating it through material upgrades. This elevated approach blends heritage styling with modern flair. The Nike Dunk Low Gorge Green is scheduled to release via JD Sports US and select retailers on July 1, while a Nike.com release date remains unconfirmed.